waiting here. Oh, it's gonna get hard. Look behind it. And let's have some all angles.
Parce que je trouve que
We are here at the olive oil factory. These are grapes? These are grapes.
Never be sick in winter. If you're sick, come to here. UNICEF one more. The other last one is, this is the olive oil soap. If you have any problem on your skin, like eczema, sunburn, dry your skin, or acne like that, this is really better for this, because the inside in the olive soap have vitamin A inside. The sun have vitamin D, the soap E. If you use together, then your skin is going to be shiny. It's nobody will get without sunglasses of you when you use. If you like, you can buy from her price. Me first do.
The olive oil or honey.
You don't like it either. He's just showed some olive oil and honey in there, but the most thing that I'm intrigued were these grapes. I like these more. Just like the way they are coming out of vine. The flowers, yeah. So we are here at the Pebble Beach for 40 minutes. Guys, this is Pebble Beach and the water is cold. Cold.
Oh, it's alright. No, actually, it is cold.
Cold.
Why? Oh, what are you doing, man?
So as you can see, the water is very clear and you can see all the pebbles as well. So this is called Pebble Beach because it has got lots of pebbles in it. Kids are swimming. So I'm not going to go in because I've got the bag and plus let's just don't want to swim at the moment, but I am in the water for a little while. Once we get back to the hotel, because accordingly it looks like after this we are going back to the hotel, then we will hit the pool. He's swimming. He's enjoying himself. So Iman went up to there and she goes, the water gets very deep. Now Iman has gone there and I have told him not to go there. But obviously boys don't listen. He'll be coming back soon. It is. It's quite sunny here, but we've got the water. We're sitting right next to the edge of the beach. Arman's right in there. He didn't listen. He just went really further away, so we just moved over here and sat down, just ignoring him till he come back, and that's the trick. He's coming back as you. I guess that's the trick. You know, when you ignore them, that's when they come running to you. Anyway, it's a lovely, lovely, lovely beach. And we're just waiting and cooling ourselves. In my bag.
No.
Yes, you did. You put these pebbles in my bag. Why?
You're keeping them.
And who's gonna look after them?
I will.
Guys, does anybody do this? Wherever we go, they have to pick up something and put it in my bag and make it more heavier. Yeah, this is just two. There's more in there. No. Back.
He's Nanga.
He's back. We told you not to go right down there.
The saving squad.
I thought we should trip.
Go and do it.
So got a double stack in. Alright.
It's amazing here at Pebble Beach. We enjoyed our time. We had 40 minutes here, which are over now. Arman's come back as well, and Iman's here. So back to the Jeep and off to our hotels now. That's the last. This was the last destination. The final one will be our hotel. So let's go.
Where's my mummy? Oh, wait, where's my mum?
C'est ça le problème. J'ai attendu du soir au matin. Si on prend un petit peu de bain, c'est pas 23h le matin. Oui,
Thank you canım, thank you.
So yes guys, we are back in the hotel and we just at the reception picked 2 towels up so that we can just hit the pool. And all of a sudden I remember, you know, tomorrow's checkout, so just ask a little bit about that. So he goes, checkout is at 12 o'clock, and then we ask him because our flight is at night time, so TUI pickup is going to come around about 7. So obviously we don't want to just laze around in one place. We will want to use the pool and we will want to use the beach. But then after that, obviously we know luggage, there's a luggage room, but to get changed, what we do? And he goes, you can use the spa. It closes at 6 o'clock. Started looking at him and go, spa? Because we did not know there was a spa here. He goes, yes, we got a spa that was included. Spa, Turkish bath, only the massages and everything is extra. So what we can do is we can go, and there's a steam. So we can use the steam, the Turkish bath facilities, the spa facilities, and then get changed there. So I was like, okay. Okay, and he started laughing as well. He goes, you didn't know? I go, nobody told us. When we came, checked in, nobody said there's a spa in this hotel. Although I have seen a bit of the hotel, but some of the places are kind of like shut down, like the restaurants and all that. We've got those barriers, so we don't go to those places. So he goes, no, and in fact it's right near our side downstairs. So what I've told him on is that we are going to hit the pool, but before that let's go check the spa out first, because obviously I want to be prepared for tomorrow, and you never know if I like the spa and stay there. But yeah, we've got a spa in the hotel which we were unaware of, so we go check that out and then just relax. Okay guys, so I've checked the facilities of the spa. So there is a changing room and a shower there, and hammam and massage. So I don't think so the kids are going to use the Turkish hammam, and the massage as well they won't be using. So it's just the basically the toilet facilities, the changing room facilities that we will use tomorrow. So I don't think so we'll go today there. We'll just head out to the pool. I'll let the kids know, and yeah, for tomorrow it's good, not bad. So that's it, wind up for the day now. Had our showers, and I won't say it's rest time now because I've got lots to do. I've got packing to do, but before packing I have to go back to the city centre. Yes, we bought a bracelet yesterday. Iman bought, well, we bought quite a few bracelets, and one of them, when we got back, the one that she actually went to get, when we opened it at home, it was broken. Well, in the hotel it was broken, so we're going to see if the lady will change it, because we bought really a lot of stuff from there. And if she doesn't, then we'll just pick up another one, because Iman really had hearts on that one. So me and Iman are going to quickly go there, and obviously it won't be a quick one. When we go there, we will look around and then get some food and come back. Arman did not sleep at night time, so right now he did want to come. He was deciding to come or not to come, but he's fallen asleep, and I know once he's sleeping he will not want to go. So I'm just gonna, I've already woken him up, and he's like, whatever you want to do. So I've already told him, no, you stay sleeping, but before going I will just wake him up again, you know, so he knows that we're going, and then we'll just come back. So yes guys, if you did like the vlog today, do like, share and subscribe. So see you till next time. Bye. Stop.